Luna sat in her backyard, bored and kicking pebbles, when she noticed something shiny poking out from behind the old oak tree. Out stepped Tick-Tock, a tiny fox made of gears and metal. He bowed politely and smiled.
Wow, hello Tick-Tock.
Greetings, it is a pleasure to meet you.
Tick-Tock, can you help?
Tick-Tock pressed his tail to the tree. A wooden door appeared, ticking like a clock.
Wow, a secret door.
They stepped through the door into a forest where leaves ticked and flowers chimed. A bridge of spinning clock hands had stopped moving, blocking their path.
Look, the clock bridge is stuck.
Maybe we can start it again.
Let's try.
Luna used her shoelace to tie two loose gears together. The bridge slowly began to move again. As night fell, the forest slowly turned quiet and cozy. Tiny fireflies blinked awake one by one, lifting into the air like floating stars. They reached a tall bell tower that had stopped ringing, making the forest slow and sleepy.
Look, the gears are slowing down.
Luna pushed while Tick-Tock spun the gears. The bell rang loud and clear. The forest sparkled back to life. Trees danced and flowers chimed happily.
Wow, it's alive!
This is incredible. Look at the flowers chime, and the trees are dancing.
Whenever you're bored, we'll be here.
Back home, Luna found a tiny gear in her pocket. It ticked softly, and she smiled.